Hi guys, here 9 minus 3 is 6 times 2 plus, here bracket 4 plus 2 whole power 2 divided by 6. Here 6 times 2 is 12 plus in bracket 4 plus 2 whole power 2 divided by 6. Now 12 plus here 4 plus 2 is 6 square divided by 6. Here 12 plus 6 square is 36 divided by 6. Here 12 plus 36 is 48 divided by 6. Here 48 divided by 6 is 8 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 8 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, A stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 9 minus 3 times 2 plus here 4 plus 2 is 6 square divided by 6. Here the next priority is exponent. Here we have exponent here 6 to the power of 2. So we have to do this 6 to the power of 2 before any other operation. So 9 minus 3 times 2 plus 6 to the power of 2 is 36 divided by 6. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication here and division. We have to do this multiplication and division before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 3 times 2. We have to do this 3 times 2 before any other operation. So 9 minus 3 times 2 is 6 plus 36 divided by 6. Here we have subtraction, addition and division. Here division is higher priority than this subtraction and addition. So we have to do this division before this addition and subtraction. So 9 minus 6 plus here 36 divided by 6 is 6. Here we have addition and divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to follow here left to right rule. Here left to right is this 9 minus 6. Here 9 minus 6 is 3 plus this 6. Here 3 plus 6 is 9 is the correct answer.